Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in sunny South Yorkshire, Kinworth Park. This is the bed I've just been finishing off, just edging it yesterday, and I'm going to be seeding this tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to rake it and get it all ready and get some seeds in there. But yeah, as you can see, it's taking some doing, but it's getting there now. It was a real mess up to a few days ago. Here's some pots that I've been growing, some nice petunias in there, and that's the board I did last year, just really filled out really nice and well. But as I was walking around, I had a good look, I couldn't help but notice these beautiful little things. Just see if I can enlarge it a little bit. Ladybird bugs. I had to ask somebody because I've never seen them before. All these years I've seen ladybirds, all these years gardening, I've never seen them before. Just see if we can get a good close up on that one. Look at the beautiful colours, absolutely amazing. So I'm going to definitely want these to carry on because they're really good at getting rid of aphids. I know that, getting rid of green fly, and they really munch away at them, really enjoy them. So yeah, just on these few flowers here, there's a nice young one there, nice young one. If we can get it in there. Look at those there, wow, absolutely stunning. If anybody knows how long they take before they turn from this, the original stage, to the ladybird stage, but I can see why they're on here now. You can see there's some green fly there, aphids there, so that's why they must be on here, because these were covered in green fly up to a few days ago, and now there's hardly any there at all now, which is great. So they're doing a really good job. If you can see any more, yeah, one up here, one up there. Yeah, munching. Keep up the good work, boys and girls. Thank you very much. Doing a really good job. I haven't got any more. Oh yeah, over here. Look at those two there. If I can get, wow, absolutely amazing. These are probably the biggest two out of the lot. But yeah, I'd love to know how long they take before they, I think, is it pupates? Before they start turning into ladybirds. One down there. I don't know if you can see this here very well, but there's quite a lot of green fly down there. Just stretch it out a little bit. Just there. See that there? Yeah, absolutely covered in green fly. So there's quite a few down there. Doing a good job. Thank you very much, boys and girls. Really appreciate it. So yeah, it's been Ladybird Larvae stage, and they're doing a really good job of getting rid of all my green fly, which I really appreciate. So yeah, that's just a quick walk around. I just thought I'd post a video and let you know what's going on today. And all these years gardening, I have never seen these in my garden before. So something new. I love learning something new. So yeah, so thank you very much for growing it. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. And please subscribe if you like my videos. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you very much for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.